was interesting in this newer show because they took a bunch of completely unrelated ghost stories and tried to make a story out of it. It worked in some ways, not in other ways. It's been a while since I read them. When I was in high school, I got a big, like one of those Barnes and Noble's fancy anthologies of all of Edgar Allan Poe's works, and I read through all of them. Yeah.
I only know like
Yeah. Yeah. And I was homeschooled, so I had plenty of time to read whatever I wanted.
that's interesting.
That was like English for first semester.
It's a little dark though.
That's what my mom thought. I'm the oddball in my family because I've always liked more, thrillers, horror, and things like that. They all think I'm very silly.
No, I mean, I really like, if I listen to too much NPR, there's a certain take on horror films that I thought was hilarious and true and applicable to life, which is when you get into it, it's a model for, I don't know the words they use, but like
all over. Oh, one thing I do is I bought a $600 vacuum, a Makita battery-operated backpack,
Okay.
so I can vacuum.
Nice. Does that help your wife with
Yeah.
the dog? Yeah, pets really up the need to vacuum quite a bit. My husband and I have 2 cats, and we would barely need to vacuum except that they shed and get stuff everywhere. I bet German Shepherd would love the weather here. It's probably a good climate.
I'm curious, if you did have a robot like this at home, would you be interested in using it to feed your dog? Like dog biscuits or something?
Oh, yeah.
Ben?
Show grid. 10. 8. 8. Show numbers. Press 9. Much better red light on that one.
Okay.
There we go. Yeah, the SantaCon here was very interesting because I had no idea it was happening, but I was out somewhere for a friend's birthday, and all of a sudden all these people come in Santa outfits.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was rowdy.
A lot of debauchery.
Yeah.
Press 6.
We should have known we were in trouble when they gave us earplugs when we checked into the hotel.
Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, that's not a good sign.
Yikes.
Something's going on at the power plant.
I really appreciate that these conference rooms have views out in places. You can either look at the power plant or you can look at the mountains, but
They were smart. They were like, the professors are going to fight for the corner office, so we'll just make all the corners conference rooms.
That's funny.
my office has a very lovely view of the trash cans.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yes.
They save the best offices for the postdocs.
You're senior then.
Yeah.
Press 6.
which I think is fun.
Do you guys have a Luna bot?
No.
You know the little Luna? It drives around like a pet, and it has AI. I think it connects to ChatGPT now.
Yeah, I think I've seen it. I haven't, but no, we don't have one.
I think the closest things we have are, there's a robot called Curie, which is about 2 feet tall. It's like this cute white thing, kind of like Eevee from WALL-E.
Oh, yeah.
Have you seen that?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have that. And we also have an Astro, which is kind of Amazon's Alexa on wheels.
Oh, yeah.
We haven't done
Yeah.
a Luna yet.
You get a Luna and play with that. It looks fun.
It looks
Yeah.
very cute. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. And then call me and I'll play with it.
Definitely. Actually, my dad loved the Curie. When I was working from home in the Bay Area during when everything was remote, I brought the Curie home with me. And my dad was like, the Curie's the only other thing that's awake at 6 a.m. when I am, and it comes to me and I can just pet it while I'm drinking my coffee.
Oh, that's awesome.
He loved it.
That is fun. I just hired a new caregiver, and she has chickens and pigs and
Wow.
That's awesome.
yeah, she like a huge garden. She freeze dries all her own food.
Oh wow,
cool.
that's so cool.
Mhm.
I saw even in the university district, sometimes there's this one home in particular I walk past when I'm coming back from Trader Joe's that they have chickens in their backyard, and I was just surprised to see it in such an urban area.
Mhm. Yeah, people that have chickens are very passionate about this.
Yes.
Right.
This is true. There were
Chicken.
a lot of people who had chickens in Austin,
Oh,
where I went to grad school.
Near my elder brother's apartment in the Bay Area, there was a family that raised chickens, but it was really because their 5-year-old wanted to. So their 5-year-old actually had a sign in front of the house saying like "chicken eggs for sale, call Theo." And so like they called Theo, and the way they realized was the 5-year-old was a little kid picked up, and they were like, "Hi, are you Theo?" And he was like, "Yeah, I'm Theo. Do you want to buy the eggs?" It was just a really cute,
That's adorable.
just like project that the kid wanted to do.
Fun fact, Amal, there's a 5-year gap between C++ and Python, 85 to 98.
Wow. That's
Oh.
a lot.
They're both bold.
Yeah, I guess Python's also old, but I guess in terms of popularity, it just became more popular. Let's see if that little piece hangs on.
I think the first programming language I learned was Java, actually.
You guys are just babies.
Yeah.
I don't think I ever learned in programming because I was a teacher, so I went to school
Yeah.
for teaching degrees. Matter of fact,
Right.
the year that I sort of look at you.
Oh yeah.
Look at you. Okay.
I'll try to look interesting.
I got a nice big bite that time.
Nice.
Nice.
The year I graduated from Kent State University in Ohio was the last year that they did not require a computer class. I
Really?
went through college without one computer class.